Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hey, if you're return service, welcome back. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I know I'm not consistent, I'm trying guys, I'm trying, you know. Just that my phone it's easily get full, and so I just lose patience, and then I'm like, oh, I'm tired. So here I was cleaning, you know, but I don't usually wake up and clean. I wake up, watch some YouTube, and eat, then I clean. So yeah. So here is the next day. I went to the mall, yeah, to buy some few stuff, of which I don't remember what is it. Can you imagine? I don't remember, guys. Like, I don't know what I was going to buy. But yeah, I did went to the mall with my son, the crazy one. Yes. Hi, guys. Morning. It's another day into this vlog, guys. Mm, it's Tuesday today. Yeah, Tuesday. Tuesday. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do today, but right now I'm going to exercise before I go shower. We have past 8, so that I can make breakfast. And yeah, like guys, every day when I wake up, I exercise. Yeah, I do exercises because I don't know. Is it me? I exercise before I eat, but every time I'm like, is it? Should I exercise before eating, or should I eat first?
It's me, Anasi. Mama, Gina,
Is
Baba.
it real? Yes.
Oh, animal. Oh, white, white. Orange, orange. Why is it humble? I'm not
So guys, one way. Azana kuluma. Hi guys, it's another day. Chirabula. Guys, I'm not feeling well. Okay, I'm in pains, throat pains from yesterday. Since from yesterday. So right now it's 8:30. I think. Yeah, it's Monday. Last time I spoke to you guys, it was on Friday, and it was hot. And then after that, the weather changes, and then it started raining. And yeah, even Saturday, it was raining during the day until late. Yesterday, at least, this guys, imvula ngawasha, and then yeah, late. Then it started raining again. Even now, it's raining. I think it stopped, but it was raining again. So we actually facing rain. I feel like this December's gonna rain. I don't know what. Okay, enough with the weather in summer and winter. I don't know what I'm gonna do today because I'm still in bed. Maybe I'm gonna wake up now and wash dishes. After washing the dishes, I'm gonna clean and then maybe I'll take a bath. Maybe I'll go to the mall because I have to deposit money into my mom's account. You know. Sabazal, Natal, let's for my kid clothes. And what else? I don't know if I'll go to the mall, but I'll see. And then now I have to come back and do the laundry. I have to iron it, washing it. I have to. I hate ironing, guys. Oh, I hate ironing. Like, I hate doing the laundry. All in all, I was not meant for this, guys. I hate doing laundry, especially for 3 people. If it was mine, and now for 3 people, I hate laundry. I hate laundry. I need to have money so that I won't look at laundry because I can't. I can't. I can't. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So let's go. Guys, the weather right now. You see, it shows it was raining, and then look at the clouds. Bese ngithi ngiyisukela. Bese ngithi ngiyisukela. It looks like it's gonna rain now again.
Njengoba ngibona-ke guys, imvula I'm sorry, I know my friend doesn't show ukuthi yana, but it was raining, like seriously rain. Yeah, so yeah. while it was raining, I decided to take a bath. Yeah, I don't have skincare, guys. I literally don't have skincare routine. I just wash my face with the soap, yes, and then I use this thing, hand block, yeah, for my face. You see, it's written camphor. You can find it in Discam and I think in Clicks, but I bought it in Adnitas. So it's friend, and you can see it's good. It makes your skin feel good, Yeah. And then I went with tissue oil, and then this one I'll use it for my hair because it gets a little bit itchy. So yeah, as you can see, it's almost empty. Guys, I'm done bathing. I don't know about this, but again, I'm looking hot. I'm kidding, but I look hot. I'm wearing this tee. So guys, I bought this at Mr. Price, the chain. There were two, but yeah, I like that one. And then the tea, I don't know where did I got it from. I think I got it from my mom. I don't know. And then I'm wearing that. Is it a jeggings? I don't know what is it, but I bought it in Trimeston in some store. I don't know the store name, but yeah, I bought it in Trimeston. So yeah, that's why it's from God. Just kidding. And I did my own hair. I braided my own hair. If you know it, you know it. So it's like it's. Yep. Yo guys, I went to the mall and yeah, I keep you badly, and then my mom didn't send me her account number, so I came back, and now I'm doing. So I'm ironing now and cooking at the same time. But yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. But I can't. Hey guys, another day into the vlog. It's Friday, Thursday. Yeah, it's literally 12:38, and I'm going to the mall. I'm going to buy something we can eat today. Yeah, it's nice. Vanilla, vanilla.
I'm going to buy something to eat tonight at the mall. So yeah, don't mind mine. What is good? Yeah, that's it. Would not mind, guys. This time. So, guys, I'm wearing this top from Mr. Price and these shorts from the Fix. I love them, but I never wore them to the mall or anywhere. I just wear them in the house only because I don't feel comfortable wearing shorts, especially this length. I don't feel comfortable wearing it. But hey, today I'm like, girl, face your fear. And I'm wearing these slides, you know. I don't like wearing slides without socks because I hate my feet. Look at them. Oh, focus, 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 focus. Okay, yeah. And look at these shorts, guys. Look at them. The material, it's so nice. Let's see what I'm talking about. I never wear them anyway. So today, yeah, is the date, and I'm carrying this purse for my bag, and yeah, let's go. These are the things that I bought: the rice, the cornflakes, bread, sunflowers, oil, soup, and yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I know my videos all over the place, but this year I'm gonna do better. Love you.